Shit on the street is garbage. It's good. It's much of acid on kerosene. This is the best part. And you're gonna be the only one in the street who's holding this. 25 out now. 25 in the street around.
These just made fuck bags, act bad but packed like a little lad. Mike the sizzle that dyke once crippled that kind. One living sad. I must give his ass my busted fist. Blast by the bitch hits whack. Guys come hit the strap like a gifted black guy running back. Time come different as I'm the kid tricking that trial bitch slip fast. Michael insists that psycho is just had enough like nutting intact. It's that these bitch made foes who truly a disdain hoe. Throws his bows. Know the snow I'm cold. Bold of my soul is forever fucking sold. Lord after something told you're never coming home bitch. Hell does hold. The more flexed your fucking loaded ass is, gets loaded fastest. Bitch laughing at this kid rapping whack shit is like acting as kids. Mike back in that bitch lit up in the hellish cove up and told it's some cold. It's been known just to show angels no Little Sicilian is coming home. Pistol sizzle and his fucking don't like pistols. This crew kid is busting those. My simple ritual dumping loads of sewage. I'm the crew lit bitch. You'll cripple infinite. Notice who has got of universe you did hurt. It's system really big in this hopeless stupid job with you and your crew bitch learn. This isn't silly shit bitches loaded. Truest honest scooters Lord you was burned. Wishing is thrilling bitch shit hits solding goot is topic stooling for you in turn. Bitchin' is feeling sick bitches hoping you and rock to zoom in towards you be heard. Simplicity beat this bitches know these tunes hit rockin' you please source loosely earn. Who these nerds playing with I'm spraying shit like I'm slaying spit rap lies. Bitch facts try to demise the guy described as shy but still alive. Still pride my bitch made foes in place for a hellish fucking awakening. Tell me come bake with me like justice was taking these clowns downtown. How come I'm in love with women and y'all grown ass men be dicking men when he's lit and sin insisting his bitch made ass God play fast I laugh. Why ask Mike the dyke like a bitch might when I like the sheep discreet bust sheep and need of the goat get hope from the ink pen I fucking grope keeping my judgment focused like it's some hocus pocus has been noted choking on rappers that kid vicious and scissors this bitch men are demise largest kind sharpened like sergeants might art describe hard to buy hardest guy my smartest mind finds darkest time flies carded like art lit skies die bitch my eyes don't lie I'm living life to the fullest rebuking your bullshit lord's cruelest and cruel and stooling get your bullishly hell written like well driven hell's given hell dickless swell bitches helplessness as belted bitches bags felt as sick as approach on the go was honest hope give me suicidal let me be truest idol soothing by the cruelest Bible preach to teach keep you geeks sneak through these words I serve so please listen and learn earn your salvation as I wild nations barking louder than 10 Dalmatians men hound hatred when found faceless bound draped in ground basements how's they kids feel knowing mom or dad getting bombed for faggot play acting gay this way gets you dismayed and blaze of fire admired like the sire a liar might be me but please see the lies I cry not at all on your eyes God's Lord tries to save our souls fuck over those too powerful to listen power still fearless and acting tough now you're tool to a bitch lacking love how's Lord to listen is laughing the torn through schools that devil does fly I in the skies like my mind described why bitches I king have seen believing in me will set you free left the ink rip the sheets forever Lord better burn for my pleasure like lecture in your bitch made bigger scene never be free of these I'm pen this sheet empty and nectarine into the lady she's crazy these babies need God get robbed slobbed and cropped dismantled slave God did handle great the love gain is shame from pain will die away still fly does they stupid faggot asses acting as if he the angel's king we must strangle these able and me as angel see God is hot on the mic honest lie the fucking you stupid fools you will cry in hell's den I tell men when he lives he will get fucked over living shitty as fuck nifty has the gritty lads come so empty gats fucking he's up loving these sluts is what Lil Sicilian does plus really want a nut in ya fucking the time I'm lined up in this like buying this sin trying big crying sick crying in life for shit is my bitch made adversary acting scary as faggots hearing me about to get fucked up for what's true justice you busted the sheet inked it me so shut the fuck up bitch made or come get hit paid to hell's grave well placed in a shelled way